Was it?
It is, yeah.
The number of police.
There's a lot of police here, so yeah.
Does look quite busy. Yeah. Can I help you?
Yeah, have you got any ID on you at all?
No.
It's a bit of a security risk when somebody wants to come and film a police station, you see.
Why?
Wait, that's what it
Do
is.
you identify yourself?
Yeah, I'm a police officer.
I know that.
Yeah.
Don't have like a badge number or a name or anything like that.
Badge number here, 1570.
Are you recording?
I am recording, yes.
So, would you identify or?
Yep, 3166 up on my shoulder as well.
You're from TSG?
No.
You look like you're from TSG.
Oh, really? What do you know about TSG then?
I know that it stands for Territorial Support Group.
Okay.
Anything else I can do for you?
Yeah, have you got any idea at all?
No, I don't know. Why would I need to
What's
show my ID?
so fascinating about this?
Just interested in it.
Okay. Is he you at all? You work separately or later? No. You just like filming police buildings? I just need to know.
Yeah, it's a matter of public interest.
Okay.
Would you mind identifying? Like, you still haven't identified. Like,
I did you not see that?
and what's your name?
3166.
And what station are you based at?
BC Wash. Gypsy Hill Police Station.
Gypsy Hill. All right.
Yeah.
Bit away from Gypsy Hill.
We are. But it's still on the same borough, you see?
Is it?
Yeah.
I thought Gypsy Hill was like Croydon.
No.
All right. Are we suspicious males?
Well, it's not really normal behaviour that we have people filming police buildings and you're in a government security zone, that sort of thing. It raises alarm bells, that's all. So we thought we'd come and speak to you, come and engage with you, see what you're doing. It's clearly that you're just filming buildings.
Yeah,
us.
that's right. Yeah.
You don't seem to be any sort of risk to police officers and so on. And you seem to want to, this is what you want, this sort of strange engagement. All right, so we'll probably leave it at that. All right.
You're happy with that?
Is this something you do regularly? Just that we know?
Perhaps. So have you been called here? Have you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because there's 1,001 cameras on this building.
Okay. So what do you like? What do you want from us?
Well, just engage with you. It's called talking to you. It's what police officers often do. Is come and find out exactly what you're doing, and you just seem to be filming the building.
What do you think? What do you think we're doing?
I've no idea. That's why I've asked you.
What do you think that the purpose is?
I've no idea. You've not told me.
Alright. Well, what do you think?
I've no idea.
If you had to warrant a guess?
I've no idea.
No idea.
No.
You can't make a guess?
No. What? Filming a building? Maybe you're an architect, a designer, and you like the gothic nature of this building.
Gothic.
It's a 60s building.
It is quite gothic. I would agree with you on that.
Yeah. We have a lot of people film it for that reason.
Okay. So you're not aware of the more comprehensive purpose of what it is we're
I
doing?
think you're speaking gobbledygook now. What is it? What comprehensive purpose are you going on about?
Obviously, there's a purpose for our filming. I was just wondering if you'd been briefed or.
No, you've not told me.
All right.
Have you told police officers previously that you want to film the building?
No,
That's all it is.
I don't think. Do we need a permit or permission?
I don't think you do, no.
All right.
But when you're filming government buildings,
Yeah.
police stations,
From a pavement though.
it's just alarm bells. So we just come and engage it. Yeah. Yeah. Perfectly fine. Lovely.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
How
I'm
long are you
happy.
going to be here?
So as long as it takes.
What, to film a building?
Yeah.
What are you trying to get from filming? I don't understand.
We just want to see how the authorities react to people filming from public. We just want to see if
Well,
our.
yeah, we do come because it is deemed suspicious when people are filming a police
What's
station.
suspicious about it? Like, what are you suspicious of?
It could be like hostile reconnaissance.
All right.
That's what we're talking about. See, I don't know who you are,
Okay.
so we need to check that out, don't we? We need to make sure that you're not hostile.
So how would
that
you,
you're filming for the right reasons?
How would you determine if it's hostile or not? Legally, I can do reconnaissance.
Yeah, you can. Yeah. But it's about speaking to you and engaging with you, and
Okay.
making sure you're here for the right
So
reasons.
how can you determine if it's hostile or not?
It's by us.
Discretion,
setting
is
that,
it?
Really, yeah, it can
Alright.
be. Yeah.
All good?
Yeah, I'm all good. It seems like a lot of officers just kind of.
The officers, this is a busy police station. You do get a lot of officers coming and going.
Yeah.
So it's
So is there not any like crime or anything to be solving? Like,
so these probably from the territorial support group. So
Alright.
there's probably an event that they go to. They'll probably go to this police station for a briefing.
For a briefing.
before they go to the event.
but they haven't been briefed about public photographers.
Yeah, they have been.
They have
yeah.
been.
But we've been asked to respond to this.
So you do know what this is? Do you know the term that's used to describe what it is we're doing?
Vlogging, possibly.
Close.
What-
So
what-
there is a very specific term,
what is this
and there was a briefing that's gone about it. I mean, it's not really my role to educate you. I don't think I'm the
Well, you're telling me.
I'm
about
probably
it,
not the
so-
appropriate person.
Well, you seem to be doing it, and you know what it is. So what? Seems to be the perfect person to tell us about it.
You'll find out.
Okay.
Is there anything else we can do for you?
Is there anything you want from us? Any more information about the 1960s building?
Yeah, there's one question on Google Maps. This is all kind of like blurred out and kind of deformed,
Is it a government building?
but all the other police stations are not. Just that raises my suspicions.
What does it raise your suspicions of?
Just think, why would you want to be trying to hide?
What do you think happens here?
I don't know.
Are you sort of you think a bit too much about things here?
No,
Sort of thing?
I'm just it just piques my interest.
Conspiracy theorist? Are you a conspiracy theorist?
I wouldn't coin it like that.
Really?
No.
What would you say a conspiracy theorist was?
I don't know. Is there anything to theorize about this place? I don't know.
You're not.
You're the one that's bringing up conspiracies. Like,
No,
as far as I'm concerned, it's just a police station.
that's exactly what it is. And that's for us. That seems a bit strange that somebody would want to film it all day.
So why would this pique the interest of a conspiracy theorist? Is there stuff is there stuff that that you're trying to hide?
Station you go to, or do you go to other police stations?
Right now, I'm just here. I'm filming from a pavement.
Yeah, but have you been to other police stations? Is this something you do regularly?
No.
No, it's not. Okay. So what made you decide to do it today?
As mentioned, I had a look on Google Maps. I saw that the image was distorted, blurred. So again, that kind of raised my suspicion. I thought, let me come and check it out in person.
Okay.
Make sure that there's nothing kind of untoward going on.
Yeah.
And here we are. So, by the way, just one thing: you need to let members of the public know that you're recording them on the body
I
worn.
did forget to say that.
Oh no, it's all right.
So I apologise.
No, it's all right. You don't need to apologise. I just thought I'd point it
No,
out.
you're right. Yeah.
Yeah.
You're all right with that. Okay.
Should we? We'll leave you to.
All right. Well, thank you for your time.
It must be exciting. If you could send us the link, that'd be exciting.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
I'll tell you.
Yeah, I've got a YouTube channel. Yeah. So the idea, the term that
Go on, teach us.
is auditing. Have you not heard of that? You do. So you do know what that is, yeah? All right.
What is it?
So the idea is to film government buildings, police stations from public places,
Okay.
and gauge the reaction from the authorities
See how. Why?
Is it-
For
is
what
this
reason? Though?
to make sure that citizens' rights are being upheld,
Okay.
stuff like that. Really. So it's a civil rights movement. And yeah, that's it.
You belong to that?
I suppose you could say that. So obviously you started talking about ID and stuff. I refused the ID. If you then kind of use some legislation to try and obtain the ID, some would argue it would be unlawful. No, you absolutely haven't. But I'm just kind of trying to explain the kind of process.
Do you see it from a police point of view as well? In terms of security, we've got to do our job because that's what police do.
So what, by me filming, what kind of like security risk could that pose? Like, what could I do with this footage that I couldn't maybe gather from Google Earth or something?
You know full well, don't you? You know full well what people do with filming. You mentioned it yourself, I think, hostile reconnaissance.
I never mentioned anything about hostile reconnaissance. Yeah.
Yeah, it came up. But
Yeah.
people film government buildings before going to do terrorist.
I don't think that these are valuable targets for terrorists.
I'll be perfectly honest with you.
Yeah.
They probably don't do it with a GoPro and that sort of.
Yeah.
They're a bit more discreet about it.
That's what I'm saying. Covert, not overt.
Yeah, and this is that's the difference. That's why we still need to come along and find out what it is that you're up to.
You're well within your right to ask questions. As long as it is just questions and nothing further, then again, it satisfies the whole.
That's what it is. So, are you happy with the police engagement?
Yeah, absolutely, yeah.
All right. So, I'll shake your hands.
If you want, I don't know. I mean, if we could be COVID secure.
Yeah. All right. But, do you know what I mean? It's no.
Hostility.
Yeah, it's no hostility. Yeah, no, that's right.
You seem like you've been briefed.
Conversation with you.
Yeah, like there's many times I've been detained under the Terrorism Act and other things.
Yeah.
You certainly can do it. Certain buildings, if you don't sort of.
I don't think no, because there's advice on the Met Police website that says photographers shouldn't be interfered with, and in fact there was actually a NPCC memo that was released that gave guidance about how to deal with these quote unquote
I think
auditors.
If officers are deemed something suspicious though, and they'll feel that they need to do their job properly before they leave. So if they had to leave and they didn't get the information that they should have got, then see, they'd be worried about getting in trouble for that.
Is he other chap with you as well? Or
Who?
Is he part of the same?
Yeah, he's the one that's yeah. He made me aware of this place.